Have you ever wondered how some retirees seem unshaken by market crashes or inflation headlines, like they're playing a completely different financial game? Well, here's a little story you need to hear. Back in early 2023, Mark and Susan, retired school administrators living just outside Scottsdale, Arizona, watched their IRA dip 15% in just 6 months. Their advisor kept telling them to ride it out, but Mark said, "What if there's no bounce back this time?" So they rolled over $512,384 of their retirement into a Gold IRA, and it changed everything. But here's the thing, their journey didn't start with panic. It started with education. And in this video, I'm going to show you why retirees like Mark and Susan are turning to two time-tested protectors, gold and real estate. Let's start with what's happening right now. Just last week, inflation numbers came in hotter than expected for the 5th straight month. Mortgage rates are pushing 7%, the dollar's losing steam overseas. And now there's talk from former President Trump about bringing interest rates back under control only if the Fed regains independence. Meanwhile, over in commercial real estate, vacancy rates are at record highs, banks are quietly offloading risky loans, and the ripple effect is starting to shake regional financial institutions again. So, where does that leave retirees? If you're holding all your wealth in traditional assets, stocks, bonds, even cash, you're in the danger zone. But that's exactly why gold and real estate remain the backbone of true retirement protection. Let me break down why. First, gold. It's not just shiny metal. It's a global hedge against uncertainty. When currencies fall, when banks tighten, when war or politics roil markets, gold rises. Since 2000, gold has outpaced inflation by nearly 500%. And unlike stocks, it's not a paper promise. It's a tangible asset you can hold. That's why thousands of Americans are now rolling over part of their 401k or IRA into a gold IRA. It's still tax advantaged, still under your control, but now part of your nest egg is shielded from Wall Street's chaos. Now, let's talk real estate, specifically residential rentals. Even as commercial real estate struggles, single-family and multifamily homes in key regions, like Florida, Texas, Arizona, are seeing rising rents and limited supply. Real estate creates income, tax advantages, and legacy value. It's not just an asset, it's a retirement income engine. But here's what ties these two together: stability and tangibility. Gold protects against currency and inflation. Real estate builds income and legacy. And neither is tied to the same algorithms or headlines that crash the markets every few years. People like Mark and Susan, their story started when they took one small step: downloading the free Gold IRA guide from the link below this video. No pressure, no gimmicks, just a real conversation about options. Today, they sleep easier. They know their wealth isn't riding the next news cycle, and they've actually gained value during one of the most uncertain periods in modern finance. If you're nearing retirement, or already there, and you have over $100,000 in a 401k or IRA, you owe it to yourself to get the facts. This guide will walk you through everything: how rollovers work, what questions to ask, and how to protect your retirement the way real Americans are doing it right now. There's no silver giveaway, no hard sales pitch, just one-on-one education. A quick, no-obligation call. It might be the smartest 10 minutes you spend this week, because you worked hard to build your nest egg. Now it's time to defend it, for your peace of mind, your legacy, and your family's future. Download your free Gold IRA guide below, and let's find out if this could be a good fit for you. The story of your secure retirement might just start here.